Good morning. This is 10 level digital water level indicator which is going to display the water level in terms of every 10%. We have a control switch and a fuse connected. This is manufactured by MV Instruments. Now presently this system is connected to a flexible level sensor. This is the terminal box to which the equipment sensing connection is given, and then this sensor, it comes with a 10 cables and a mounting flange for mounting it on the wall of the tank. And this is a sensor, it's a float sensor. As you can see, as the float rises it is going to make the contact, and as the float drops it's going to break the contact. This is 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20 and 10. The speciality of this sensor is it comes with a weight at the bottom. The speciality of this sensor is it is flexible, means the sensor height can be adjusted through a grub screw which is set here, and it is mounted on two steel cables, and individual floats are connected on the steel cable, and it is easy to transport, and it is easy to fix and easy to adjust the levels as per the required height of the tank. So now we have 10 sensors, as you can see from here till here. Then there is a mounting flange and there is an additional cable, and then this is the terminal enclosure wherein the terminal connections are given, that is from 1 to 100, and this is in a weatherproof box, IP65 box with the terminal grounds, and this is going to our equipment. Now we will show the operation happening. Now as you can see, it is a 10% indicated with the float raised. Now the water is above 10%. If the water level drops below 10%, the equipment is going to show 0 and it is going to give a buzzer. Now as the level rises, it is 10%. This is the second float, 20%, third float. As the water rises, this float is going to rise up and it is going to electronically make a contact inside, and this is going to be sensed to the equipment. Now it is 30%, 40, 50. I am raising the float of one of to the other sensors. 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Once the 100% level is reached, after a few seconds it's going to give a continuous beep, so that if there is any requirement to switch off the pump set, it can be done. Now you can see that it is beeping. So this is a system. This is going to be mounted in any convenient place outside the tank, and from here to the equipment it can be any length. It can be even 100 meters cabling, but this can come near the tank so that it is easy to give the termination instead of giving it inside the tank. Thank you.